Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. So there's so many things that are happening today. First, my mom is starting to move from one shop to another, and I'm helping her. Also, I got this package from AliExpress. I'm not unboxing everything now. I'm just going to unbox like the phone case because I'm giving my sister her phone case before she goes back to school. I don't even know what some of these things are. Okay, I think this is definitely the phone case. Who knows? Imagine if it doesn't fit my phone. I'll cry. Wow. See Trema's and see my own.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is not common.
Yeah. I'm so oily. Hi. You're kidding. Why is that anytime I'm vlogging, they always take lights? Okay, yeah, so I just finished filming a makeup video, as you can see by the mess of my room. It's embarrassing. Oh my god, I need to change the shirt. Let me prop you up. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, okay, you can't see. Okay, so I'm trying to decide whether I should put my... Oh, I look so homeless. I'm trying to decide whether I want this shirt like this or with a belt. Because I think that a belt makes it look better. So let me arrange it properly. Yeah, it's like a big shirt, but because I'm tall, because I'm tall, it doesn't look like a big shirt. I think it looks better with the belt. So I was going to be looking, walk around and reach. I sit, I stand. Okay, so my mother has given her criticism. She was like, how about I fold it? I'll see you guys at work because I'll try and vlog today. We got a drone. So I'm going to definitely vlog today. I almost fell. I actually fell. Safe landing. This is our 5th take because he keeps forgetting to hit record. I've been here trying to take 1 hour. At last, 30 minutes because he keeps forgetting to hit record. I wish I brought my earpiece so I can talk, but I'm going to buy a drink. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi. Hello. Today is Thursday. I'm going to work today. But before that, I'm going to the post office to collect something I ordered from AliExpress. I hope it's the package I think it is. If it is, then I'll be able to film the AliExpress haul and you guys will get it before I thought you were. I haven't really vlogged and oh my god, see what happened. It's like broken and I don't even know how it broke. There they are, flying drone. It's like going in and out of focus, but you understand.
Hey guys.
They can't see. Oh, they can. I'll leave this in.
What?
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and my friends and I are going for a picnic today, like a photo shoot, but it's a picnic. I feel okay, I feel happy, I feel like this is good. And then I'm also going to have this hat on. And I just realized the hat goes with like the shirts, sort of. So yeah, this is me. Yeah, I will see you. I'll just make some TikTok videos and I'll see you guys probably on the way or when we're there. Wow, see my hair.
It's good.
It's good. My face is already oily and we have not started.
Oh, Mr. Fresher like me.
Mr. Fresher. There's a whole park. Okay, so this is what Toyosi was talking about. Should we tell him?
Yeah, when we come back.
But like, what we want to do is not that deep now.
Every day you give me joy. I look like a child. I decided today I'm going to look like a child with this on my hair. But that's fine. I'm going to work today. This is my hair, guys. This is my hair. This is my hair, like no extensions, just me, my hair, and I. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep it at the back, but I'm so happy that I'm able to do this kind of stuff. Like, yo, my hair is growing so much. Yesterday I filmed an AliExpress unboxing, but the issue with that video is that it was raining and you can barely hear what I'm saying. So I don't know if the footage was okay, and an unboxing is not something you can redo if you want to. So I don't know how that footage is. I'm going to try and use it. If it doesn't work, then I'll cry and then I'll move on and film and wait another 3 months before I'm able to film another one. I'll see you guys on my way to work. I don't know. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my way to work. Oh, I might wear my glasses. I got lost on my way to work. Am I the worst YouTuber in the history of YouTubers? Probably.
because I haven't vlogged today, but I've done a lot. It's just a lot of admin stuff, as I knew it would be. It's currently raining, and I need to go get snacks from outside because I'm hungry. But the issue is that my hair. Fear no rain. Back secure. Today is Tuesday. Today we're going to register for driving school. I don't know how the whole registration process is going to go, whether they are booked or I'm just going to go there and see when I can start, when I'm going to continue, how the days are going to go. So that's what I'm doing today, registration. But that means that the whole driving school vlog is not going to be here. It's going to be in July's vlog. So you have to wait a little bit. You have to wait a little bit to see me driving. Looking like a complete house help, but I don't care. I had to cross main road and I'm never doing that thing again. Cause God, I swear to God that I actually almost died. I'm back from registering and I just came home now and said let me update you guys. Hopefully it ends up going well. Hopefully I do well. I'm actually very excited to start. I can't stop smiling. Ever since I came home, I've just been smiling like an idiot. But I'm excited. Yeah. But you guys are going to have to wait a whole month. You guys are going to have to wait a whole month before you see me driving. Hopefully all goes well. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. I will link all my other vlogs right here in this space. If you want to watch, check them out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.